command from FCF, for example, the files command, or will be only searching in the file over here. So what you can do, I looked through tons of issues, is you have to add this one. So in the top, I found it on the GitHub issue from the main demo, his name Junbun. So yes, so he posted, if you add the find git root, this is the method, and you just have to pass it on to the function. And what I did, I made a new function called pfiles to the existing files, which would look through the project files from your git root starting. And then for my finding, there are two called enabled other plugins which you have to install. They're called AG, the Silver Searcher, and RG, RipGrab. Yeah, this is what I want. So what I made the AG already using my git root, while the RG will stay in my folder.
So what's the benefit of using the git root? So if you're changing your working directory?
Yes, wait, I've just where's my file? So now when I run, for example, the RG command, this will just look through all the files currently in my folder. So I'm just saying the URLs by. But if I run now the AG command, if I would find, it will look through all the files starting from my git root. So I could, for example, reference a file called in the in the stats bar. So I can jump through there and search something. While with my RG command, I would just only find something in my working directory I'm in. Okay. So this is the same also for files. So if I run files, it will only show the files currently where I'm in. While with project files, I get all the files from my git root. So this makes it easier for me to jump around, which I hated, which I like in the JetBrains editors, and I didn't know how to do it in Vim. And this is what I used to kind of make it more like an IDE.
I mean, when I'm doing it, I'm using like just the FZF thing, and like in general, what's going on?
Are you using it in terminal, right? Or are you using Vim?
Is this not terminal?
No, this is Vim.
But it's GVim.
No, this is normal Vim.
Okay, but in terminal.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I mean, where are you running the FCF command?
No, I'm running it here. So this is, you can see I've got like 35,000 files, and I don't know. And then you have to think of like a specific file. So I don't know. Here's store. So I want to go to the store thing. And then it's doing a fuzzy search.
But you're running in a what you want to connect it? But you're running it in a terminal session in Vim. So you will have
no, it's not a terminal session. Actually, I think it's funny. I don't know how it works, but yeah. So I started with Control P like a long time ago. Yeah. And then it was slow, so I remapped Control P to this FZF thing. And it's really good. It's like 35,000 files.
But then how do you search a file if you search for a specific class?
So if I want to, I mean, in PHP, like the classes are named after the files. So if I'm like, I don't know, I have to think product controller, like, then you've got, with 35,000 files, it's kind of difficult sometimes, but normally it's, pretty low on the list.
You were in Python, you don't have it. You don't have the classes. It's not like Java.
But that's the FZF plugin. And I think, I'm not sure what RTP means, but there you go. And another really good feature that I use all the time is the arg wrapper.
Say again?
Arg wrapper. So arg wrapper I've got mapped to AW, and so it takes anything like this, and you just go onto any of the items and do that.
That's nifty. Arg wrapper.
Yeah. It's actually really good.
Yeah. I actually use split join. Do you know that?
No.
From this Andrew guy, who has many
variants.
It might be.
Andrew. Yeah. Andrew Manev.
Maybe some Russian guy.
Yeah, he was here a couple of years when he was in Berlin.
Oh really?
Yeah. One of our heroes.
What-
And
what-
it
what-
has similar features for, and it's trying to collect
What's
this
it?
feature.
What's it called?
His name is Andrew.
No, the plugin.
It's
Split
Split
join.
Join.
What was the name of the plugin you mentioned? Dark?
Arc Wrapper.
Uh,
Argument
that
wrapper.
Vim Argrep.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Vom.
Yeah, Radev. Exactly. And it's like a modular approach, so you can add functions or behaviors for different languages or different situations. And that sounds very promising, I think.
What's it doing? So you start off. Okay, so it was inlining it.
No, wait.
Yeah,
Wait.
So you got return the answer, and then it's inlining.
I think that's a pretty advanced example where you have a Ruby expression which is like really thrown around as opposed to just adding some new lines or removing them. So that's the whole idea about it, right? It's trying to do something clever in every language or in many languages. So, but I don't know how much it evolved in the.
So a day ago.
There you go. Yeah,
Yeah.
sounds good.
7 years in development. Yeah. 908. Is that 9 or 8?
Probably using it himself.
5.
And by the way, he has another very nice plugin which is, I think it's called something like search modifier, which does like what the name implies. If you started searching something with an expression, then you can call out some kinds of commands which make it more relaxed or make it more special. Like maybe look it up. No, it's I think on the GitHub page where you have just been.
Just take a look at his repository.
Exactly.
So split join progress.
Maybe have a look at the full list. Like,
Could take some time.
only 90s.
Would be.
Delete surrounding function call, multi change Vim, split join Vim, sideways Vim, why not? Tag along Vim, switch Vim.
By the way, looking at Nerdtree, we just did you use Nerdtree, right?
Yes.
Well, yeah. I think Nerdtree has a very big disadvantage, which is for huge trees, it's getting slow. Yeah. For huge
For
trees.
big projects.
For big projects, it's getting arbitrary slow. It's really a pain in the ass. And what works just as good, maybe even better, is the original Vim net.
NetRV.
Yeah. Yeah, it's much better. No one is using it for I don't know.
I'm using it.
It's faster. It has more features. You can have like more columns or
What's it
more
called? Net?
NetRV.
It's a built-in feature of
It's built in for years. No one is using it. And
Okay, so
NetRW.
how does one do it? Net like net?
No.
Net? No.
write sex. Sex is the
Sex?
Sex Explorer.
Sex
Yeah,
Explorer.
No, just write sex. No, don't complete it.
Sex. Okay, sex.
Yeah. Exactly right. Unfortunately, the default setup is a little bit clunky.
Yes.
Having a very verbose help header. But if you have a look at the options, it's just awesome. It's faster. It has more features. You can sort. You can add columns like file size, change change date and stuff like that.
I just use a combination of Control P and NetRW.
But this is really one of the things that I miss. It's like the tree view.
For the NetRW, you're missing it. It has it.
It has it.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
has
you
it.
can enable
Really?
it in some
Yeah.
option.
Yeah. Of course, I mean the tree is very natural view of a file system, right?
yeah.
So and it has it, and it's faster.
Wow. So why are we using Nerdtree?
Yeah, it's a very strange phenomenon.
It's-
Everybody is
It's
using
marketing.
Nerdtree.
Hey, you got sex or Nerdtree?
Yeah, maybe it's a very basic decision. But sorry, I interrupted actually the search for this search mod tool, which is very. I like it a lot, and actually I added stuff to it which I didn't commit.
This guy's done a lot of Vim. Yeah.
Actually, he's a lot of awful stuff.
Mm.
I mean, awesome stuff.
Like there's 2 pages of Vim.
Yeah, mod search. This one.
Ah, yeah, he modified the.
Yeah.
Photo, yeah. Ignore strings, word.
So, do you get the idea?
Mm-hmm.
Usually you start with some kind of search query and start searching, and then you feel like, oh, it's not precise enough. And then there are different classes of how you could improve it. And here's only 4 of them, but of course there are more ideas what you could improve about your search query. Like make it more relaxed, make it more specific, make it match to, I don't know, the inside of functions or actually the opposite and stuff like that, right? And then you don't need to start to edit the regular expression, you just type in what you want. Have it more specific, less specific, or whatever.
So it's adding modifiers to the expression, to the pattern, or
Yeah. Exactly. And usually you have typical cases what you want to change about the regular expression, right? You want to have I don't know, make the space you add or you had in the expression make a general white space, or the opposite maybe. You want to have more like how do you call it, more flexible white space or whatever, and yeah, that's exactly the idea about this plugin, and very useful, I think.
And as an alternative to Nerdtree or the NetRx tool, I'm using the Ranger plugin. It's a file tree browser written in Python.
Oh yeah, I'm using Ranger as my file browser.
Is your file browser by default? Yeah, because
I wanted to look at the plugin.
yeah,
Is
that's a great plugin.
that you?
No, this is another Nazi. This is another from Karlsruhe, but he stopped using Vim.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
What
just
happened?
that. Yeah, I know this guy. Yeah. Not in personal, just by GitHub, and yeah, it was. Yeah, I'm using the move. Yeah.
I actually don't use it. I mean, I know it's there and it's cool, but I've never used it.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Then why do you have it in here?
It just accumulated. Yeah, I tried it and I never removed
Clean
it.
up your plugins. Yeah.
That's a lot of crap. Yeah. So how does it work? You like shift? No. What's the shortcut?
Yeah, it was shift, and then you use the. I think just.
Yeah.
It's like in a normal IDE or so. Nearly like. Yeah. I love that, and it keeps care of the indentation. Remove it, and that's why I love it. This plugin.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah. Now maybe you will start using it. If you're
Maybe
moving code a lot. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so far for your spontaneous talks and explanations.